on rainy days. Making a handle for my kite. I just connected some string to it because we bought some kites and we thought there was string with it. But nope. Got a little confused. That happens sometimes. Kite flying. So, we're gonna fly our kites. You ready for this? Go! Playing house. Arg! Stop it. Dude, I need to steal your jewelry. It's beautiful. I know it. You're to steal your jewelry. Ow! No! I need to beat you up and steal your jewelry and kill you with my sword. Go get the weed whacker. We're going to battle. No. Fine. You know what? You know what? Fine. You just call the shots. You can do whatever you want. I was just messing around. Stop. I was just playing. You're not the boss. I know I'm not. You can't just decide everything. You were bossing me around. Shut up. No, I wasn't. Yeah, that was what you did. Molly flying with a windmill. Oh my God! Foam creatures. Fill that shit up. Whoa. Oh yeah. Here, do you just like a Tom bomb just waiting to explode. In how many minutes? A few. But I want to know exactly how long. Oh, we're only supposed to put one in. Oh, crap. There. And then there was one. These other ones are like gross. I know, they're all slimy. Oh my God. Ew. We're cheaters. We should be on that show, Cheaters, because we cheat. Here, drop it in. Giraffe or something. It's a giraffe! Yeah. Here, put it in the water. Its legs are weird. Put it in the water a little, like. Let it soak. Here, I'm going to open up your yellow. Here, I'll open up your red one. Oh. I think you got a giraffe, too. Oh, wait, what is this? Is this a beast? Oh, it's not. Wait, what is this? Is it a hippo? I don't know. Or an elephant? Oh, gross. Okay. I think you got the wild beast. This one turned out great. Oh, a wild beast. I got a monkey too. I got an anteater. You got an anteater.